That's just awesome. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Jay. Today, I'm going to make something that is plain and simple because there are some days where you just don't know what to create and you just don't want to be spending hours and hours trying to figure that one out when you need to make something quick and easy for lunch or for dinner. So I'm going to show you what you can make that is simple and easy to make for lunch or dinner that people will actually really enjoy. So the first thing you're going to need is your pan, as you can see here. Then you're going to need your parchment paper that goes on top. So let's get it on here. There we go. We got our parchment paper on here. Now you're going to put the food on here. Now you must be wondering what this is that is on here. These are mini pizza bites. They're great, they're easy, they're simple to make, and I mean literally you can just place them on the pan and put them in the oven and cook them for 8 to 10 minutes. Now what you're gonna do is set your oven to bake and 425. Now that the temperature is at 425, you're going to shove them right into the oven. Now you got to set the timer for 8 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. I'm doing 9 actually, right in the middle of it. Now that the timer is done, you want to take out your amazing creation that you have just put in there 9 minutes ago. But we'll first turn off this and we'll turn off the oven because you don't want to burn anything down. So we'll take it out now. Ooh, that's nice and hot. Look at that deliciousness. Here you go. You got your mini pizza bites that are going to taste amazing. One important rule that you always have to remember is that you have to, as a chef, don't forget, as a chef or as someone who is making anything, okay, even if you're not a chef, don't forget the most important thing you have to do is try your food. So we are going to try a pizza bite. Be careful because it's really hot. That's just awesome. Amazing. So yummy, so hot, and so delicious. So I hope you enjoyed watching another episode of Cooking with Jay. Please subscribe below, click the little red subscribe button and the bell so you get the notification every time I upload a video at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So watch it according to that time zone. And also, hit the thumbs up button, squash it, smash it, high five it, do whatever you have to. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And also, comment below. If there's something you want me to do, comment below. I will do it. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkiewicz. And thank you so much for being part of Jay Squad. And remember, the most important thing is be happy.